Hello everyone, welcome back to Mama in the Kitchen. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make grilled chicken wings. So I'm going to start off by showing you the ingredients. So first you're going to need about 35 to 40 chicken wings, and then you're also going to need 1 cup of ketchup, a 1/4 cup of the buffalo hot sauce, and then you're going to need about a 1/4 cup of olive oil, a 1/4 cup of mustard, about a 1/2 tablespoon of the Goya seasoning, and then 1 tablespoon of the complete seasoning, and 4 tablespoons of garlic, and a small packet of Sazón. And now we're going to go ahead and get started. So the first thing you want to do is clean the chicken wings. I went ahead and cleaned them with vinegar and water. And now I'm going to go ahead and start seasoning them. So after we season them, we're going to let them marinate for a couple hours. The longer you let it marinate, the better. So you can even do it overnight. So first I'm going to be adding 4 tablespoons of garlic powder. I'm also going to be adding 1 tablespoon of complete seasoning, 1/2 tablespoon of Goya seasoning. You're also going to add a cup of ketchup, a 1/4 cup of mustard, a 1/4 cup of the buffalo hot sauce, and a 1/4 cup of the olive oil. We're also going to be adding a small packet of the Sazón just for color. It just gives it a nice color once the chicken wings are cooked. Now you're just going to mix everything well together and let it marinate for a few hours or for however long you would like. So my chicken wings have been marinating for 2 hours, and now I'm going to go ahead and start grilling them. If you don't have a grill, you can also use the oven and just broil them for about 30 minutes and keep flipping them until they get to the color that you want. So I'm going to go ahead and grill them on 450 degrees for 30 minutes and just keep flipping them like every 5 minutes, I would say. And every grill's temperature is different, so you might have to want to flip it more often, but I flip it usually every like 5 minutes. Looks like my chicken wings are now ready. They've been cooking for 30 minutes on 450 degrees, and now they're ready to serve. Again, if you don't have a grill, you can also make these in your oven. You just broil them on high for 30 minutes and just keep flipping them until they get to this color. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.